Monday morning, and as we look from our Doral camera towards the downtown Miami skyline, it is looking ominous because we do have some storms offshore just to our east. You can see that lightning just firing up, so a heads up for those of you who may be heading out on the water, boating. We could see some water spouts and also just very active conditions offshore at this time. Also a gloomy and overcast view from our Key West camera. Thanks to Greg Nassau for sending in this photo of the rainbows yesterday. Double rainbow, loving that. And of course it was due to all the rain that we had. And then now Sandra K. Booth sending us this current sunrise view from Lauderdale via the sea. And yes, we're still seeing the clouds there as well. So there's all that lightning that we just saw from that Doral camera. It's to our east, and then on the west coast it's been a stormy start. Thankfully those storms are moving to the east, and winds are fairly calm in Broward and Dade County. Out of the south down through the Keys, we're already your 84 in Marathon and Key West, low 80s for Miami and Pompano Beach, upper 70s in Fort Lauderdale, Southwest Ranches and Kendall, and highs will have the opportunity to heat up to the upper 80s, around 90 before the rain rolls in. The heating of the day, the moisture is going to help to fuel thunderstorms, and we could see some heavy downpours, localized flooding, lightning and gusty winds once those storms do get going and move from west to east. The forecast radar future model showing that we are mainly quiet with clouds around for the morning. Around 2 p.m. could start to see those spotty showers moving on in. 3-4 p.m. appears to be the time we'll see the chance for torrential downpours. Could be very wet and messy evening commute from 5 to 6 p.m. before we see more of the cloud coverage later on tonight. So the best time to head to the beach is now. There's a slight risk of rip currents, and later those storms develop, and temperatures in the upper 80s. The UV index is very high, although we have a lot of clouds around. For boaters, winds south 5 to 10 knot, seas 1 to 2, a light chop on the bays. Tonight, very humid, a few showers, upper 70s. So there it is, that southwesterly flow and the moisture that's going to keep the chance for afternoon and evening storms around through Wednesday. It's not until Thursday and Friday that the rain chance will get back down to normal. And for the tropics, that wave in the Lesser Antilles right now is not looking to develop. In fact, it's looking quiet for the Atlantic. Environmental conditions unfavorable for development, at least for the next 5 days. As we head towards the end of the week, we're turning up the heat with highs in the low 90s. The rain chance goes down to a more seasonable, typical summertime pattern.